Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for how to teach dressing skills to kids. Now, this trick is a pre-dressing skill trick. So what it involves is getting either a nice long scarf and tying it into a circle, or getting a nice long piece of therapy band and tying it into a circle. But the idea is you want a fabric tied into a circle. So that way you can teach your child to step through the circle and pull it up the leg. So the idea is showing them the motor planning, showing them the gross motor movement of how to move the foot through the fabric and then how to pull it up. So with a nice big loose piece of fabric like scarves tied together or therapy band tied into a circle, it's loose enough so that the child can practice with one leg or even both legs and pull it up to waist height. So the idea is to just get the body through something and pull in an upward direction. So this is really helpful for like pants. If you have a smaller sized hula hoop, this can also work really well. So just the idea of that gross motor movement and how to start out with some of that motor planning. What I like about this is that it's fun and it's engaging, and sometimes kids really enjoy it. And if you do have some colorful scarves, if you do have some colorful fabrics, or even if your child likes the therapy band, this can be a lot of fun and a really neat use of these kinds of materials for how to teach those big gross motor types of plans for skills like putting on pants.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.